Yo, that's the grub tub right there. You can get fat with fries and fried chicken and drink your drink at the same time. Cheese fries just to be extra scummy. In New York right now at the game with Gil. My first baseball game since I saw the Expos in Montreal. Wow, it's been a while. What's up? I'm on the set of my favorite porn. Called that guy, he films it and he writes it also. Yeah, I'm being an idiot. Okay.
It's a coming of age.
Coming of age, that's what it's called. Guess how we spell it? You know. Guys, I'm hanging with Will. We're gonna do some awesome stuff. I don't even want to tell you the details because you got to check it out when it comes up. I promise I'll let you know. Right? Will too. What's your Twitter?
It's Will Full Tones with a Z.
With a Z?
Yeah.
Is that how you, what?
No, it's at Will Fulton, WILFULTON.
There's no Z?
No, Z was an Instagram.
Oh,
Z. Flub.
Okay,
But
yeah, but yeah, get him on Instagram too. Yeah, but what's the Z for? Like it's like street style, like boys, the
Will
boys.
Fulton was taken by some jerk.
What an idiot! I thought you were gonna say some Jew when you started saying it. Like
No,
by
I would
some
never say
Jew.
that.
No, you know.
He might be though. I don't know.
Yeah, maybe.
But if he is, God bless him.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, that's it. Okay. All right, guys. You'll see. It's gonna be awesome.
Yeah.
Oh, don't worry. This comes together in the edit.
We'll fix it in post.
Ah, kidding. I'm gonna put it up in a chunk. Yo, guys. Thanks for watching the most awkward, terrible vlog in the game. You already know. Okay. No, it was great. Yeah, look, we're still going. See, that's how we do it. What? He didn't think it was awkward, but we're still here. Okay, I don't know how to end the clip. I'm just gonna stop. Hey guys, before when I told you to watch the show, I wasn't sure if it was gonna be good or not, but I feel like it went well.
We're best friends.
Yeah.
I think we're best friends now.
Yeah, we're best friends now forever.
Which is what I wanted. Professional things aside, I just wanted to make a new friend.
And I'm having a second bar mitzvah just so I can invite him.
It's just us two. Some people call that a date. He calls it a second bar mitzvah.
Yeah, my dad's gonna be there, so it's a weird date.
That's my favorite kind of date. Dad date.
You're gonna have to suck my dad. Sorry. It's still here. Oh! Follow your heart. No, do it.
No, I want someone to take a
It's a vlog, so I could it just rolls. I'm just like she's.
I don't know how to use my phone though.
She doesn't know. She doesn't know anything except how to make some badass tacos.
Okay.
Guys, this is Lee. What's your Instagram? What's your Snapchat?
Okay,
do you
ready?
Snapchat? We don't, eh? Kylie killed it. It's over now, bitches.
Well, Rihanna told me not to, so
yeah,
I don't do
you know
it
what?
anymore.
I love Lil Dicky, but you could have done that song with anybody.
Oh yeah.
So what were you saying?
Okay, ready? Lee Kalpakis, and that's it. That's it.
You Greek?
Yeah, I'm Greek.
You're Greek.
Yeah.
Apopiso. Hey, it's actually the only Greek thing I learned in high school.
Are you Greek? I thought you were Greek because of that. I thought you were fluent.
No, very Jewish.
Very Jewish?
Yeah, Jewish and a couple boring mixtures. Nothing cool like Greek, you know?
You seem really bored.
Do you ever have souvlaki?
Yes.
And you're familiar with tzatziki?
Yes.
No one is familiar with that in Los Angeles.
That's not true though.
I swear, go to Los Angeles, ask people if they know tzatziki. They do not.
Okay.
I've been thinking about it. Listen,
just on the street? You just on the street? You want me to ask them?
You guys ignore this for a second.
Okay.
You and I, we open a Greek restaurant, souvlaki,
Into it.
tzatziki,
Into it.
in Los Angeles,
Yeah.
family style,
Yeah.
Pasadena, money. Get at me!
Money.
Get at me!
Don't yell at me anymore.
No, not you, just you guys. Get at me. Seriously, you want to throw some money into that?
Get at him!
Guy Fieri,
Get
we're
at
looking
him.
at you. You want to get in on this? Get in on the ground floor.
Guy Fieri. That's right, Tom? Guy Fieri.
Yeah.
Why, what is he? He's Italian?
Yeah.
Really? I thought that was French.
Big Italian boy.
Big Italian boy.
Yeah.
Okay.
Get at us, big Italian boy.
Yeah,
Like
get at us.
T, like Fieri, but the R is.
Okay, the R's not silent. It's really loud. The R's a D. The R's the opposite of a silence. It's a D. So yeah, Fieri.
He has a D. It's not a big deal. You, me, Guy Fieri.
Guy Fieri has a D.
Greek restaurant.
Yeah, Greek restaurant.
In
Listen,
LA.
Get
in
at us.
Pasadena.
Hey, you want to make money? Let us know.
Yeah.
Guys,
Watch this,
big
right?
Greek restaurant.
Is that cool? Is it cool when I do that?
I'll edit it cool.
Okay, edit this cool.
Okay.
Thanks.
Do it 4
Fix it in
times.
post.
Do it 4 times. I'll fix it in post.
Okay, ready?
I'm gonna cut it up like real crazy. Yeah. I'm just gonna leave it up as this big chunk.
No!
Oh my god! The thin veil of television has been lifted. Okay, guys, get out of here.
Bye.
It comes together in the edit. Guys, I'm here with my boy Sean. We're
Back
doing our
again.
new episode. It's called Cold Ones. We eat really cold ice cream and then we eat ice cubes and it gets cold. And actually, that's all a lie. It's so cold. No, I'm joking. But you know, lots of people that work with him have definitely pitched him on that if we really think about it. They're like, here we go, cold ones. Think about it. Anyways, this comes together in the edit. Don't worry about it, trust me. Oh, we're still going.